Welcome to our lesson. So this lesson we're gonna be learning the verb ageru, which means to give. Okay, ageru. We usually write it in hiragana, so ageru. Okay, and it's a regular verb, so it's easy to change for the four forms that we have. So let's have a look at the synthesis. The first form is the dictionary form or the friendly form, as we say, tamego, ageru. So, for example, はい、これあげる。はい、これあげる。ね、はい、どうぞ、これあげる。Like friend to friend, meaning, here you go, this is for you, or here you go, like I'm giving this to you, take it. Like it's very casual, so usually we can imagine like two children talking to each other, or if you're talking to your best friend or a good friend. Okay, and remember that if you just want to make this polite, you just change the ru for the masu. Okay, hai kore agemasu, and becomes polite. Okay, you can say that to a coworker or with someone that you're not very close yet. Okay, so let's have a look at the masu. Okay, then so we changed the whole ru thing for masu. So agemasu is our polite masu form. Okay, so for example, お土産をあげます。お土産をあげます。Omiyage is a souvenir. Okay, we use it a lot in Japan. When you go traveling, sightseeing in Japan, you will hear probably this word a lot. The shop where we buy souvenirs, we call it omiyage-yasan. And it's yeah, it's very popular in Japan. Okay, omiyage. The kanji doesn't really make any sense if you look at it. Like this is like dirt. Okay, so I can't really tell you why. You have to we have to look for the origin of the kanji. But omiyage somehow means yes, souvenir, and miyage, right? And o is just to make it polite, like tea, ocha. Okay, so basically, when you go traveling in Japan, it's very common for you to bring something to your coworkers, to your friends, but especially at work, we always bring something, like cookies or something like that. So in this situation, for example, you could go to work on the next Monday and say, "Hi, omiyage o agemasu," and tell to your coworkers. Okay. Next one is our nai k, the negative form. So agenai. So for example, 子供にお菓子ばかりあげないで。子供にお菓子ばかりあげないで。So remember that it's agenai de, nani nani nai de is an imperative form. So don't do blah blah blah, right? So in this case, it's don't give. So you can imagine like a parent, probably a mom, saying to the dad or grandma, don't give cookies or okashi. Okashi can be anything, cookies or sweets. It's more like sweets, generally speaking. But yeah, telling to someone, don't give the kid sweets right now. They're gonna have dinner soon. Or bakari is like only or a lot. It's kind of in this case I would say 子供にお菓子ばっかりあげないで. So like that much, or only sweets. Okay, so 子供にお菓子ばかりあげないで. So all here is the same as omiyage. It's just to make polite, but yeah, we usually say it omiyage okashi. Okay, instead of only kashi. You're never gonna hear only kashi. And then the last one is our teke, agete, which is give. It can be the imperative to give. So let's say 犬に水をあげてください. Inu is dog, mizu is water. So please, kudasai, give water to the dog. Let's say I'm gonna go on a trip. I'm gonna be out for the weekend, so please give the dog some water. ね、水に、sorry, 犬に水をあげてくださいね。忘れないでね。Don't forget. Something like that. Okay, guys. So this was the verb ageru. I hope you liked it, and I see you on the next one. Next one, we're gonna be learning the verb kiku to here. Okay. See you guys. Take care. Bye bye.